Bananas, one of the most popular fruits in the world. But have you ever wondered how they make it from the farm to your table? Today on Tech Machine, we're taking you on a journey from banana farming to the high-tech factory process that ensures only the best bananas reach your home. It all begins in the tropical regions where the perfect climate for banana cultivation exists. Bananas grow best in temperatures between 26 to 30 degrees Celsius. Farmers here carefully tend to the plants, ensuring they receive just the right amount of water and nutrients. Each banana plant takes about 9 to 12 months to produce fruit. A single plant can yield a cluster, called a hand, which contains dozens of bananas. Once the bananas reach their optimal size, harvesting begins. Workers carefully cut the heavy clusters from the plants and transport them to the packing station. Bananas are still green when harvested to ensure they ripen slowly during transportation. Before the bananas even reach the factory, they're given a quality check. Each hand of bananas is inspected for bruises or deformities. They're washed thoroughly to remove any pests. The bananas are loaded onto refrigerated trucks. Keeping the temperature cool prevents them from ripening too quickly during transport. These trucks take the bananas to the factory, where advanced processes will prepare them for market distribution. At the factory, the bananas undergo another round of inspection. Sophisticated machines sort the bananas based on size, shape, and ripeness. The goal is to ensure only the best quality bananas make it to store shelves. Once sorted, the bananas are carefully packed into crates or boxes. These packages are labeled, ready to be shipped to different parts of the world. Refrigerated containers ensure that the bananas continue their slow ripening process while in transit. The bananas are now ready to be shipped to international markets. From here, they travel to grocery stores around the world where they'll ripen to perfection, waiting for you to enjoy. And that's how the bananas you eat every day make their incredible journey from tropical farms to your kitchen table. Next time you bite into a banana, you'll know the fascinating process behind its freshness. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more behind-the-scenes manufacturing processes. Kiwi fruits, small yet packed with flavor and nutrients. But have you ever thought about the journey they take from the farm to your plate? Today on Tech Machine, we'll take you through the fascinating process, from kiwi orchards to high-tech factories that prepare these fruits for the world. Kiwi fruits are primarily grown in temperate regions. Their vines thrive in places with cool winters and warm summers. Each vine is carefully managed and trained on trellises to ensure the fruit receives ample sunlight and space to grow. Kiwi plants begin flowering in spring. Pollination is essential for the growth of healthy fruits, and farmers often rely on bees or artificial pollination techniques to ensure a good yield. As the fruits ripen in late autumn, it's time for harvesting. The timing is crucial. Kiwis are harvested when they are firm but not yet fully ripened. Workers carefully handpick each fruit to avoid bruising, which could reduce quality during transport. At the orchard, the fruits undergo their first quality check. Workers remove any damaged or overripe fruits. Only the best kiwis are sent to the factory for further processing. The kiwis are loaded onto refrigerated trucks to ensure they stay fresh and firm during transport. The journey to the factory is crucial, as even slight changes in temperature can affect the fruit's quality. At the factory, cutting-edge machines take over. The kiwis are carefully sorted by size and graded based on quality. Sensors and cameras ensure that only the best-looking fruits make it to the market. Fruits that don't meet strict quality standards are set aside for other uses, such as making juice or puree, so nothing goes to waste. Next, the kiwis are washed to remove any dust or residues. Some factories even apply a light coating of edible wax to preserve freshness. The fruits are then packed into boxes, ready to be shipped around the world. To maintain their firmness and freshness, kiwis are stored in temperature-controlled environments. From here, they are loaded into refrigerated containers and shipped to various global markets, ensuring they arrive in perfect condition. After their long journey, kiwis reach your local grocery store, ready for you to enjoy. Whether sliced in a fruit salad or eaten straight from the skin, the humble kiwi has traveled quite a distance. And there you have it, the amazing journey of kiwi fruits, from farm to factory, and eventually, your table. Join us next time for more behind-the-scenes looks at how everyday products are made.